Hi, my name is Sean McBurney. I'm a 2003 graduate of Kettering University. Today I'm the regional president for Caesars Entertainment. I'm responsible for the 9 casino resorts we have here in Las Vegas. Kettering prepared me for my career in really an amazing way. One wouldn't think that a mechanical engineer would find themselves in gaming and hospitality. But the reality is these are very big businesses. We have 26,000 hotel rooms in Las Vegas, and in order to provide a high level of service with businesses that are this big, it really comes down to great processes and great quality control systems. And effectively, that's the same thing that you do in engineering. So while I didn't think that there would be a one-to-one relation between engineering, manufacturing, and gaming and hospitality, I found that they're actually very much related. There are many cool things about my job. We work with the biggest celebrity chefs in the world. We have a big entertainment business. We have a big hotel business and a big gaming business that really allows you to meet some of the most interesting people in the world. So I'm very fortunate to work in a very, very fun business. I have many favorite Kettering moments. I would say at the top of the heap is the ability to study abroad. You know, spending 4 months in Germany, traveling throughout Europe, being able to work with Mercedes and Porsche was really a highlight. I would say I'm most proud of completion of the coursework. It is an intense education that delivers dividends throughout the entirety of your life. I have lifelong friendships, both in terms of my classmates as well as the professors that I had. I would say the most important lesson that I learned from Kettering is really the fundamentals of engineering, which is you take a process-driven approach to problems. That's certainly great in a traditional technical engineering environment, but it's applicable in places like the hospitality business and even your personal life. One of the beautiful things about Kettering, it's a small school. It's a relatively small alumni, but that means you get to know people better. It means you have better access to the professors, you have better access to the leadership at the university, and that's something that I've been able to stay in close contact with. And it's a powerful set of alumni, wildly successful people in all sorts of different businesses, and that's something that certainly helped me throughout my career. The only other thing I would say that people should know about Kettering is that it is a first-class institution. I wouldn't trade my education there for anything.